What? Marshall turned into a cupcake. Hi guys, look who's in the microwave. Oh my goodness, it's all of Paw Patrol. It's a whole rainbow of them. Let's set them up in order. Okay, and then I think they want to take turns in the microwave. So let's go ahead and put one in there. Let's put Marshall. Marshall likes to wear red. So let's put him in the microwave. All right, let's see what happens. What? Marshall turned into a cupcake. But at least it's a red cupcake, I guess. Look, we can take the cupcakes apart. This cupcake is a triangle shape cupcake. Look at that. Boop. Well, there's a red cupcake instead of Marshall. Who wants to go next? Should we use Zuma next? Okay, Zuma wears orange. So let's put Zuma in here and see what happens to Zuma. I knew we were gonna get an orange cupcake. And let's see what shape this one is. This one's a circle shape. But it's orange, just like Zuma. Ooh. Look at these fun cupcakes we're getting. All right, next we're going to do Rubble. Rubble wears what color? Yellow. So let's go ahead and put Rubble in. We're pressing the pizza button. There's another cupcake. This time it's yellow like Rubble. But what shape is it? Let's find out. This one's a rectangle. And it's yellow like Rubble. Look at those 3 cupcakes we have so far. And we have 3 more Paw Patrol. So let's go ahead and put Rocky in. Rocky wears the color green. Let's put him in the microwave. This time, let's press the chicken button. Ooh, chicken button. Ooh, look at that perfectly green cupcake. It matches Rocky really good. And let's see what shape we got. This shape is a diamond. There, look at our 4 cupcakes. It's like a rainbow. So next off, we're going to do Chase. Chase likes to wear the color blue. And it's dark blue, so let's go ahead and put Chase in. And which buttons should we press this time? How about the hamburger button? Ooh, we got a dark blue cupcake just like Chase. Let's see what shape this one is. Try to get it off. It's a little hard. You can see the shape on the bottom. it's a star. That one's cute. All right. Let's set these up like this. There. We have one more pup, and it's Skye. Oh, but what color does she wear? It's pink. She loves pink. This one, let's press this button. It's like a croissant, like a roll. Oh my goodness! Look, we got a pink cupcake just to match Skye. Oh my goodness, and look at that crazy shape. What does that shape look like? Kind of like a hexagon? Or what? Well, there's our pink one like Skye. Look at that, we made a pyramid of cupcakes. But what about Paw Patrol? They're gone. Maybe we should try microwaving these again. You know, they got kind of cold. I think we need to microwave them again. Let's try fitting them all in here. Do you think we can fit them all in here? I think we can too. Look at all those yummy cupcakes. All right, we gotta do a lot of these special buttons. All right, let's go ahead and microwave them. Ooh. No way, look! We got our Paw Patrol back, but not only that, it's Super Paw Patrol. They all have their capes and their masks. They're super pups. Here's Chase and Zuma. This one's Rocky. Oh, and Rubble. Oh, silly Marshall and Skye. Look at all of our super pups. Good job, super pups. You came from cupcakes. All right, say bye to all the Paw Patrol. See how it goes. Okay, let's go ahead and check on our pups, see how they're feeling. Oh no, all of our Paw Patrol are stuck in here super sick. We need someone to come help them. But who would be up for the task? I can do it. Oh, you can, Doc? Yes, let me just grab my stuff. Perfect. Okay, but where are the keys? They're around here somewhere. Do you guys see where the keys are? Oh, there they are, right around the corner. Now we can get them out. Okay, let's start with this door. This door is light orangish yellow. So we're gonna get the keys and it's going to be this one. Let's put it in the right way. Oh look, it's Rubble. Rubble, are you not feeling good? No, I wanna feel better. All right, Rubble, let's get you feeling better. But what's in there? What'd you bring with you? Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Micro Light? Okay, well let's hurry and open this first. What? No way. right? He looks awesome. Okay, look, if you squeeze in, he has a green flashlight. That's awesome, look. Green, green. Goofy little prize in there. All right, back to the time at hand. Okay, Rubble, I'm going to give you a shot. You ready? Okay. Okay. Now let's get back in your cage. Let's see how that makes you feel in a little while. Okay? Okay, I'm gonna lay down. Okay. All right, now let's open up the next gate. The next gate is red. And look, it's Marshall. Marshall needs some help getting better too. Yeah, I want to feel better. All right, it looks like you have a giant sliver in your tushy. Let's pull it out. Ooh. Okay, let's set you in there and see how you feel in a little bit. There we go. All right, let's open up this other door. This one's orange. So we get the orange key. And look, it's Zuma. How are you gonna help Zuma, Doc? Let's give him a shot too. All right. All right, let's see how you feel in a little bit, Zuma. I hope the pups are feeling better by now. Let's go ahead and check in on Rubble. All right, so we're gonna open up our Rubble door and oh my goodness, Rubble! I feel like a super pup! Oh my goodness, look how much better you're feeling. Isn't that good? Yes, I feel amazing. Thanks, Doc. All right, let's see how Marshall's doing. Woohoo! Woo! I'm feeling so great I can fly! Thanks, Doc. Oh my goodness. All right, now we gotta see about Zuma. Oh my goodness, how did all of you just look so super now? I'm so super! Yeah, you are. Oh my goodness. Look at all of you super pups looking all good. Good job. I'm glad you guys are feeling better. Now let's hurry and get these other guys feeling better too. All right, so let's check in the pink door. It's Skye. Let's give her a shot to make her feel better. Next is Chase. He was in the blue door. He gets a shot too. Right in his ear. Well, we're gonna have to close blue. All right, then Rocky is last. He was in the green door. So let's give him a shot. Hopefully he feels better too. Okay, now let's wait a little while and see how it goes. Okay, let's go ahead and check on our pups, see how they're feeling. Okay, Rocky, how are you feeling? I feel like a giant super pup. Oh my goodness, you became a super pup too. Good job, Rocky. Thanks, Doc. Okay. Next is Chase. Come out, Chase. I'm a super pup after that shot. That was a good shot. You guys are looking great. All right. Skye, you're the last one. How are you feeling? I can just fly. Thanks, Doc. Oh my goodness, you guys did so good. All of you guys are super pups. Yay! Thanks, Doc. Cannonball! Whoa, Skye! Where'd you go? Cannonball! Oof. Oh, that didn't feel so good, did it? Oh, man. What happened to what? Why isn't there anything in the pool for me to jump in? We had to take everything out because there was just too much stuff in it. What? How is there ever too much stuff? Do you think there's ever too much stuff in a pool? No, especially if it's water or soda or candy. There's never too much in a pool. Okay, Skye, okay. You're gonna have to find someone to fill the pool up. Who do you guys think I should find to fill the pool up? How about Poppy? I should go find Poppy and have her help me. Okay, let me go get Poppy. Did someone say my name? I heard someone say my name. I think it was Skye, but she went off to look for you. Oh no, Skye! Okay, well, what did she want? Something about the pool? It looks awfully empty. We're gonna have to fill something up. I have the best idea. Let me go find something. I couldn't find Poppy. I'm just gonna lay here and do nothing. Fire in the hole! Woohoo! It's starting! What? What is that? What is it? It's a gumball I found. And I'm gonna go get some more. No way, Poppy's bringing gumballs. We're gonna start with red gumballs and we're gonna send them down the slide. Here come all the red gumballs. How many red gumballs are going to come? There's so many. There's a bazillion, gillion, zillion, trillion. Skye, are you so happy about the gumballs? Yes, I love filling the pool with yummy gumballs. Okay, well let's get a few more red ones. They just keep coming. Okay, Skye, what color do you want next? Let's do orange. Okay, let me go get orange. Here they come. Yay for orange gumballs! What color are we going to do next, Skye? I don't know. What color do you think we should do next? How about yellow? Okay, let's go get yellow. Okay, that's enough yellow ones. What color's next? Green? Like my cape, and my crown, and my shoes. I really like green. Okay, we have all the green gumballs. We only have a few colors left. Yay! Let's do blue next, like Chase. Okay. Blue. Skye, you're gonna have to get out of the pool if there's gonna be room for more colors. Okay, okay. How about right here? That's a great place. Okay, well, the next color is going to be pink, like my hair. And like Skye. Skye loves pink too. Okay, only one more color. What color do you think it is? White. We're gonna do white. There's a lot of white gumballs. Whoa! Okay, Skye. I got you all of your gumballs. Now are you gonna do your cannonball? Yeah, let's do my cannonball. Cannonball! Whoa, Skye! Where'd you go? Come out of there, Skye! Where did Skye go? She's gone. You know what? I'm gonna do a cannonball too. And let's see if I can find Skye. Cannonball! 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 What? Where did Poppy go? They did cannonballs and then they just disappeared. Okay, let's try searching around in here some more. What? Poppy, where'd you come from? I did a cannonball in the gumballs and then I just turned tiny. I don't know what happened. But I'm gonna keep looking for Skye. We found Skye! You guys turned tiny when you jumped into the pool. I know, and look how awesome! Now we can go down the slide and swim around and not be too big. All right, well, let's go down the slide then. Whoa. Whoa. Okay, well, that was Skye and Poppy playing in the pool. Okay, say bye.